Nature is unpredictable, and sometimes it reminds us of its terrifying power when we least expect it. In this video, we bring you real-life footage from around the world, capturing Mother Nature's deadly force on camera. Lava, both mesmerizing to watch and deadly at the same time. After a volcanic eruption in Hawaii, the flowing lava had local homeowners questioning, "Why do we even live here?" As the calendars mark 2011, we extend our well wishes to the city of Genoa, which fell victim to the wrath of the Mediterranean due to relentless rainfall.
Guarda qua, ma come fanno a passare quelli lì?
照相中了，哦，王者，我这个凭啥走？哪里到了？那你咋遇得到？那你给我快点拿来走。
Is somebody out on the water there at all?
Does not. Where did the dogs come from? Is it
Right here.
That's our docks. It just blew them everywhere.
dumpsters out there? Jesus. That's crazy.
Kayaks.
Is it gone?
Yeah.
Yeah, it ran up over the hill.
Not towards my cottage, is it?
No.
Glen Snow.
Our next video comes from India, where yet another overflowing river caused by extreme rainfall tore through nearby homes as if they were mere paper, completely destroying them. Working full-time as a researcher in Antarctica, a place best admired from afar for its breathtaking landscapes? Thanks, but I'll pass. The guests at the Cannes Film Festival on the French Riviera were definitely not prepared for a scene like this. Another proof of nature's power, Detroit's freezing winds have turned the city into something straight out of the Snow Queen Elsa's homeland.
She's thankful for the city.
In Dearborn Heights today, this team from the city digging, salting, a cold weather crew showing off its teamwork that is making the dream work for Cheryl Fritz. That crew was pushing water and ice off the street. It is so cold, covering the cars instantly, as Cheryl tried to get out there to move them. Make no mistake, no defroster, no ice scraper was going to help free these vehicles from this ice. Dearborn Heights.
This is freaking cool, dude. Wow. This is actually dope.
Don't get wrong, this isn't an artificial studio set created for a movie scene. This is the real aftermath of homes devastated by nature's wrath.
This is crazy. Their windows are screwed. Look at this. Jesus. Wow. Oh my God. Sorry for being like, this is unbelievable.
Maybe we dream of visiting a museum to admire the luxury cars we'll probably never own in our lifetime. But unfortunately, the collapsing floor of this museum swallowed several sports cars into a massive sinkhole. The good news? Many others made it out without so much as a scratch.
despedida con los coches. Come inside, girl.
Although the tsunami triggered by an earthquake off the coast of Japan had weakened by the time it reached California, the 1-meter rise in water levels still caused approximately $30 million in damage.
Right back up here if it gets under.
A freaking tornado out. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god, there goes the trampoline.
Thank God I wasn't there to witness the full force of this landslide up close.
Oh my god, it's like right in front of it. Oh my god.
In India, the local people who realized this bridge was about to collapse waited on both sides for 3 days in the rain just to witness the few seconds it would take to fall. I guess the only thing they were missing was popcorn.
house. Please save us before we float away.
If I have to experience a flood, I'd at least prefer it not to happen in winter. Otherwise, I might end up facing scenes like this from Boston in 2018.
This guy's gonna get stuck. What are you doing?
This is completely ridiculous. They're like shattering when they hit the ground.
incredibil. Deci este absolut incredibil. Este un nor imens.
Climbing volcanoes isn't always the best idea. As you can see, Russia's Kizimin volcano seems to have gotten a little angry at its visitors.
Аккуратней! Еще один идет.
This image, captured from 9 kilometers away, was caused by the eruption of volcanic Mount Shimodake in 2011. And that wasn't the only impact. It also led to the cancellation of dozens of train and flight services.
It's still there, and yeah.
This is Wyoming, where an average of 12 storms and tornadoes occur each year.
Towards this thing, but yeah, anybody that knows me knows that this was going to happen.
Yeah, Mom sent me texts going, "You left me with a freaking out child. Get your ass back."
Well, you have another
No.
The last tornado I saw was on your farm.
Yep.
I know, this is awesome.
Dad.
I know, I've got the camera on it.
Oh my god, it's a fucking photo right in front of us. I know.
If it starts getting too close, though, we need to back off.
Sometimes people truly experience moments of complete mindlessness.
Красавцы. Мужики!
Thank you for watching. You've witnessed the raw power of nature and the resilience of those who face it. Stay alert, stay informed, and remember, disasters can strike anytime, anywhere. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe for more shocking moments caught on camera, and let us know in the comments which disaster shocked you the most.